Hey boos, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going on our little hot girl walk together into town, running some errands. Just want to hang out with you and bring you guys along on just an average Thursday afternoon of what Annabelle gets up to in her small England town when she's used to big city life, but she's romanticizing it. So let me give you an outfit check. So I'm actually gonna lower you really fast because I don't think you can really see me. Don't mind the kind of messy bedroom. But I am wearing this little like workout outfit. It's a tank top set. It's from Primark and it might actually be warm enough for me to take this sweatshirt off that I'm wearing over it. If so, I'll just tie it around my waist or something. And this sweatshirt I actually thrifted, but I think it's originally from like ASOS or something. Love that. Then I just got my socks from Primark and Air Force Ones. And I got my little sunglasses, which these are from Shein, I believe, or Amazon. I think you can find them on both. They just are like a good shape for my face. So got those. And then I am taking just this little tote bag. It says One Life on it because it's just part of this course that my husband did, so he got it as like a little swag bag. And I have my laptop in here and AirPods and my MacBook, and we are gonna go walk into town. It's actually a nice day outside as well, like literally blue skies. Like, England, are you feeling okay? I'm literally out of breath because I'm talking so fast. Anyways, I have some like errands I need to get. I'm gonna go to thrift stores, get some like makeup things or some lashes, and I kind of just need to like do a few things, so I'm bringing you with me. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, by the way. I love y'all so much. Thanks for joining the fam. I think I'm gonna actually get a vlog camera hopefully soon so the quality can be even better, but for now we are on the iPhone and we love her. So anyways, let's go besties, let's go. Don't mind the dirty as heck, you know, little doors, but like blue skies. Hello, are we England showing up and showing off? Okay, I see you. I've been talking so fast that I'm like literally sweating right now, so maybe that's a good sign that it's gonna be hot outside. One can hope, one can hope. When I'm literally leaving the house and at the front door there is a note from Royal Mail saying they tried to deliver a package but it wasn't here, and I'm like, boo, I've been here. Have you been here? So annoying when that happens. First world problems though, am I right? I just don't have a car, so like, not sure how I'm gonna get it right now. Oh my gosh, sunshine? Are we for real right now? Carrie. Okay, get those little legs tanny tan. I'm actually just gonna use this moment while I'm walking to write a to-do list on my notes page because I don't know about you, but like, I think I have ADHD. But like I don't really do anything about it, and like I really need to make a list of everything I need to accomplish today. So we're gonna do it while I listen to some country music in my ears and walk in the beautiful sunshine. So shout out to y'all who need a list to accomplish anything. Like, is England even real right now? This is slightly up a hill, so actually I was able to take my sweater off. Y'all don't even understand, the sun makes me a different person. Cold brew vibes. This actually tastes good, so praise be to God for that, because I miss my Starbucks US, so yeah. This is my favorite charity shop. Woo-hoo. I'm going to give you guys a haul when I get back. I'm sipping my cold brew in the sunshine. I bought some things, nothing too crazy, but it is a beautiful day in town. It's alive. Everybody's in a good mood because the sun's out, so I'll see you guys in a bit though.
A loaf of bread because it was like reduced.
Will is excited about his haul,
And then I got a whole thing of all butter croissants, the nice ones. Then I got my packet.
Do you want to get some brie? We don't have brie at home.
Yeah, brie and croissants.
Yeah, is that good together?
Yeah. Great. All right.
Just real quick.
Huh?
Just really quick.
Yes, really quickly.
Really quick.
Really quickly.
All right. Well, we just picked up our package / dropped it off or whatever. I do some package things, and now I think we're gonna go to the beach, but Will was confused. He thought we're gonna walk out of the beach from ours, but I actually want to go to this place called like W Beach Bournemouth, which is this like outdoor eating and drinking area. It looks beautiful, so I think we should try that. So yeah.
We should get the glasses and then we can fill them up with white wine.
So I know I was like doing, I don't know if I said I was doing a morning routine or what I said I was doing, but we've ended up at the beach. Hello. Look how cute this place is. It's right on the beach. It's a bit breezy today, but not too bad. And Will just went and got us these drinks called the watermelon.
They're just called watermelon.
They're literally called watermelon. And he said this is the drink all the way. Are they so good?
Yeah, the guy was like, this is the drink.
Is it good?
It's a somewhere.
It's tequila, which is my favorite, so let me try it. And I love the whole slice of watermelon on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, and we brought some food, low-key, we brought some croissants and cheese. I think you guys saw that, so we're gonna break out our snacks, but it's quite chill vibes here, so I feel like they're not getting mad. And plus we're not serving food anyways, so.
What can you do?
Bye, beach. Okay, we are back as promised with a haul from what I got today. What is on my forehead? Hello. First things first, actually, I got this pajama set from Primark. It is long pants and this tank top. Will, what do you think?
Lovely.
Aren't they cute? It's like bougie, silky, watercolor. I've been getting like way too hot at night in all my other pajamas, but it's also like not warm enough yet to completely go like shorts and a tank top, so we got these, which I love. Then from Primark, we got this little number. I love these from Primark. Will, do you like this?
Yeah, they're really nice. Sure, everyone knows. Huh?
Will approves. No, but they're actually really cute and they're so comfortable and so like supportive. Okay, what else did I get? From Primark, I also got these little hair clips. How cute, £2. And then these headbands because I'm wanting to like wear more like sweatbands because it's like such a cute little trend. I just needed some ones that were a bit comfier and like not too tight, and those looked good. So, and then I just got these, which is great for my like hair color, like reddy brown, because I always lose these whenever I do my hair. So got those from Primark. I think that's everything I got from Primark. Then I went to Superdrug and I just picked up my lashes. These are the Pinky Goat Rimas that I always wear. And then I needed to get a sharpener for my lip liners. Literally, I had one and it just broke and I just basically haven't been able to use lip liners. So I finally got one and I used it today and Lydia was like heaven sent. It was like so perfect. And then I went to a charity shop and I got a couple things. So the first two things I got are kind of the same, but they're these like little sweaters, which like I've definitely owned things like this before. But the goal is to wear these in summer. They're kind of like coastal grandmother vibes, but just basically the point is like even if I'm wearing like a blazer and a tank top, like I could button it and then wear the blazer over it. I have a vision, so hopefully it's cute. And then I got this one, which I actually thought was like so cute. So that was £3 and this was $4. This one is Laura Ashley, but it's like a little vintage. And look at the cute little flowers on it. Do you see that? The little detail. So I just thought this would be like so cute, like over a little summer dress in the summer. Just to give me a little extra layer because we do live in England, but like literally how cute is that? And the last thing I got, I might have to return, which our thrift stores, they let us return, which is so nice because I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. But it's this green dress and I think we might need to just like try it on because I need to know if it's gonna fit like right now. Okay, so this is the dress. What do we think? It's like a bit big, but not in a bad way. Let me see if I can move you back like even further so you can like really see what it looks like. It's like midi length. I don't know. I think in the summer it could be quite cute. I guess I'm like, is this really unflattering? Let me know. I just think it would be a good color with my red hair, but like I love this kind of like vintagey, soft, like romantic look. I'm just like, is this ugly? I don't know. But you might hear Will showering, so sorry if that's like obnoxiously loud in the background. But that's everything I bought today on my little errands. I now need to go pack because we are going away this weekend, so I need to go do that, but I hope you enjoyed this little random vlog. I loved bringing you guys along, just kind of like on my morning, afternoon that ended up being like entire day. But I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't for more content, and leave a comment below of what you'd like to see or any questions you have, and I will chat to you in my next video. Bye!